Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, September 11th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today, guys. We went 5-0 today. We didn't even really need the fifth trade. Could have been a break even, actually, the fifth trade. So 4-0-1. Or a smaller winner, 5-0, depending on what people were doing, how many contracts they were trading, if they had more than one. And I'm going to run through everything here in no particular time order. First of all, we had a power play on the crude. Well, crude was not really up very strong. It was lower. So we had this nice uptrend here. So we were kind of going against the trend. We got short 49.50, 51 area at around 11:30 on this candle right here. And I told everybody when this came back up here, I said, when this pushes down, it may be 2 or 3 candles. It's got to keep going lower, which is exactly what happened. I said, after that, it's going to be so buyers are going to come in now. We didn't know if buyers would come into here, if buyers would come in and take it up to the top, but we knew that it was going to be a problematic trade. So I told everybody normally we try to take at least 8 ticks on our first target, and then 20 on our second. But in this case, I told everybody take 6. Because, I knew this might be a problem. So either get out at 6, or, if they did hold and they moved their stop down, then they would have had a break even on that trade. One contract trader could have made up to 6 to 8 ticks, and that would have been it. They would have been out anyway. And then in the ES, we were basically done. I mean, we didn't even need that crude trade. A lot of people didn't take it. We were basically done within an hour before 10:30. We had 4 monsters. We had 2 trades here in the ES that were in profits within a minute. We had 1 long and 1 short, and it took an extra candle for it to hit our first target down there. But it was just a sick trade. I told everybody we opened up, and in the ES, and we were around 47 ish when we opened up. I told everybody if they take it up 50 quarter, okay, they were going to go 53 to 53.50. So that's all they had to go, especially because it's the open and we get the volatility. If they can't get above 53.50, they're going to come down. Okay, or if it triggered first, if they just went straight down and this long didn't trigger, we had a short at 44 quarter. So what ended up happening was, and I said you can take them both. Okay, so what ended up happening is we got long at 50 quarter. It went up, it made up to 3 points. Okay, I told everybody make sure you take profits up there. If you want to try to hold a runner, that's fine. Go to entry. Okay, but you got up to 3.5 points on that trade. 3, because we got in a 50 quarter. And a lot of people took +1, +3. Some people took +1, +2, +3. Some people tried to hold a runner. It depends on what you're doing. But either way, it hit our target to the tick, 53.50. This was all announced beforehand, okay? Then this all happened within a minute. This went up. Fill us for profits went down, came down. Boom, our 44 quarter got filled. We were in profits, and then we had to wait for this next candle here to get down to our 35 target. Okay, this circle here was here the whole time. Okay, so from 44 quarter, we made up to 10 points to the downside, and we made 3 points to the upside, again, all within 2 candles, really. Well, almost 3, but it was just a sick set of events here. Then we moved over to the Nasdaq, and in the Nasdaq, we got short for a monster trade in the NQ. We got short for a monster trade in the NQ, 64 on the 957 candle. Just on the initial push, that went down and made some really, really good profits. The initial push, we got down 50 points, over 200, almost 200 ticks. Again, just the initial push. And then we went long here on the 1021 candle. Again, no heat on these trades at all. 65, and it went up from 65, and I said it should get to at least 11,200, okay, which is 35 points, and just a sick, it was 140 plus ticks. So we're going to come back and do it all over again tomorrow, or I'm sorry, on Monday. Everybody have a great weekend. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. See you guys.